Hello everyone. In this tutorial I discuss about insulating materials for cables. So some properties are maintained in insulating materials such as 1. High insulation resistance. Must have high insulation resistance. Then high dielectric strength to avoid electrical breakdown of the cable. And next one is high mechanical strength to withstand the mechanical handling of cables. And non-inflammable, low cost, unaffected by acids and alkalis to avoid any chemical actions. Now, what are the insulating materials? These are rubbers. VIR means vulcanized India rubbers, then impregnated paper, then varnished cambric, and then PVC or polyvinyl chloride. Okay. So first I discuss about rubber. Rubber may be obtained from milky sap of typically trees, or it may be produced from oil products. Okay. And VIR mean vulcanized Indian rubbers. It is prepared by mixing pure rubbers with mineral materials such as zinc oxide, red lead, etc. and 3 to 5% sulfur. The compound so formed is rolled into the sheets of cut into strips. And next is impregnated papers. So it consists of chemically pumped papers made of wood strips. Okay. And this type of insulation has most surfaced and rubber insulations. Then varnished cambric. So varnished cambric, it is carbon cloth and impregnated and caused with varnished. Clear? And this type of insulation is also known as infrared tape, like infrared tape. And then PVC or polyvinyl chloride. So this insulating material is a synthetic compound. It is obtained from polymachineries of alkyne, and it is formed with powder. Okay. So that's are the insulating materials for cables. Thank you everyone. See you in next tutorial.